What is regression? Regression is a statistical method used to understand relationship between variables and then predict it by showing it. For example, showing it in a graph. So if you don't know what a variable is, think of it like you have a box in your house in which you store your old toys and old stuff. So that box is the variable and the thing which you put in that is the value. And another example of it will be you create a variable named age, and in that variable you stored a value age, and the age is 24. So when you call the variable age, you get the value 24. So that is variable. There are two types of variables, dependent and independent variables. Dependent variable is a variable which we have to predict. Independent variable is a variable on the basis of that we predict the dependent variable. So think it like this example. You have bought a new GPU RTS 4090, congratulations, and you are selling your old GPU 3060 Ti or any 3060 any model. So you are selling that. The price you are selling it, we have to predict it, so it is dependable variable, and we are predicting on the basis of hours used. So this is independent variable. So now we will use regression in order to show relationship between these two variables, which is hours and price. So we will show it by using a graphical representation. So here we will create a line like this. So here it will be x-axis and here will be y-axis. Sorry for my drawing, not good. So here it will be, you will write independent variable. So which is our hours used. So here goes independent variable and here will be dependent variable. So dependent variable will be price, which we have to predict. We represent it by two regression, positive regression or negative regression. So here we will use negative regression like this. So what does it mean? If the hour increase, the price decrease. And there is another regression that is positive regression. You show it by like this. So this means positive regression. And here is another example which we will show it. Like you have a YouTube channel. So the more video you put, the more it worth. So here will be videos which is independent and its worth we will type here. This means the more video you put, the more worth of your channel increase. The less video you put, the worth of your channel decreases. So that was negative regression and this is positive regression. Hopefully you understand this. And there are types of regressions like linear regression. Linear regression is where you understand and predict relationship between two variables, which is one is independent and second one is dependent. One independent, second one is dependent. And there is also multilinear regression, where is multiple independent variable and one dependent variable, multiple independent variable and one dependent variable. And there is also polynomial regression. The line does not always goes linear. So when it does not go linear, that is polynomial regression. The line sometimes goes like this. Here I will show you like this or like this. So this is polynomial regression.
If you want more exclusive videos, or you want me to make a personal video for you, if you want me to answer your questions, you should click the top link in the description. That will take you to my school community, which is made for people who love machine learning. By doing so, you will get exclusive videos there, answers to your questions, and personally videos made for you according to your request. By doing so, you will support me and this channel because I am doing this full time and this is my only job. Thank you.